Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you a AI app that's named Upscale, and it will going to uses AI to make low resolution images sharp and high quality. So how you can simply download this app? Very simple. You have to open any of your favorite browser, and then here you have to search for Upscale free download. Click on that, then click on this first website and click on for the Windows. Click on the download. It's about 249 MB, so it will take some minutes to complete. And now as you can see, the download has been completed. Now if you click on this folder icon, you can simply click on it 2 times to install. There will be a permission, click yes. And now you can simply close everything behind. Click install. And after complete the installation, you can simply click on finish and it will run Upscale. And here it is, you can see. So you can simply set it by your choices. I will like to show you right now the fastest method how you can simply do that. Now if you just simply post any of your image, but select any of your image, and if you try to upscaling it, like I'm going to upscaling it this image, and you can see it's looking like blurry, and now I want to make it stay upscaling it. It's saying hold on for some seconds. And as you can see right now, if you look at to the before, it's looking blurry, but right now it's super increased. I think it's looking right now a better quality. So yeah, this is how you can simply upscaling with this AI method. So thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.